What if I told you the CIA once funded research into leaving your body, traveling without moving, and even bending reality itself? It all started in the 1950s with Robert Monroe, a radio executive who accidentally unlocked a hidden doorway in the human mind. Through sound frequencies, he discovered states of awareness beyond waking, beyond dreaming, and beyond anything science could explain. These experiences led him to create the Monroe Institute, a pioneering center for exploring human consciousness, and it soon caught the attention of the US government. What followed became the CIA Gateway Project, a declassified program that reads like a manual for unlocking superhuman abilities. Using Monroe's Hemi-Sync sound technology, agents trained to enter deep meditation, control brainwaves, practice remote viewing, and even achieve out-of-body experiences. The discoveries were so strange they blur the line between science and science fiction. And today, anyone can try these techniques. Lucid dreaming. Secrets. How to enter and control your dreams. Imagine controlling your dreams and exploring entire worlds while you sleep. That's lucid dreaming, where you know you're dreaming and can bend reality at will. Fly across cities, meet dream versions of yourself, or practice skills, all while your body rests. Getting started is simple. 1. Keep a dream journal. Write down every dream you remember. 2. Reality checks. Look at your hands or a clock during the day and ask, am I dreaming? This trains your mind to recognize dream states. 3. Set intentions before sleep. Tell yourself, tonight I will realize I'm dreaming, and visualize what you want to do. With practice, lucid dreaming becomes a doorway to limitless possibilities inside your own mind. Out-of-body experience. Steps. Take your consciousness to the next level. Imagine waking up, but realizing your body isn't really there. This is the world of out-of-body experiences, OBEs, where your mind can travel anywhere while your body stays behind. Steps to begin. 1. Relax completely. Release every muscle and sink into your bed. 2. Enter the space between waking and sleep. Notice tingling, buzzing, or waves of energy. This signals your journey is starting. 3. Visualize floating or rolling out of your body. Don't fight it. Let yourself move and explore. The secret most people miss: fear blocks the experience. Stay calm, set your intention clearly, and let curiosity guide you. Tonight could be your first journey beyond your body. Your curiosity starts here. Join us and explore the extraordinary, one story at a time. Hit subscribe.